What's up everyone, this is Tom from Chaseki and this is video number 8 of our ongoing video series All You Need to Know About Matcha. Today's video will be an overview of what's coming next to you within the next 5 weeks. But before we dive right into it, I would like to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and also make sure that you hit that little notification bell so you get an information every time that we are uploading a video on YouTube. As you might know, we have this ongoing video series every Sunday with the name All You Need to Know About Matcha, but we also upload videos throughout the week with matcha recipes, tea recipes, and tea tastings. So if you're a tea head, make sure that you tune in to our channel and also follow us on your social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay, so the previous weeks we have been talking about the secrets of matcha, how you can identify premium matcha, how matcha is produced, the history of matcha, where it's originally coming from, and how you can make perfect usucha and koicha at home. Within the next 5 weeks, we're talking about the fatal mistakes that you should definitely try to avoid, and to make sure that you don't overpay for your matcha that you buy, how to identify the weaknesses of matcha so you can always get the top quality products for yourself, and things that you should avoid in producing or making your matchas at home. This video series will start next Sunday, which is September 29th of 2019. As I already mentioned, it would be great if you follow us on our social media channels such as Facebook/chaseki.tea, also on our Instagram channel @chaseki.tea, and on our Twitter account, ChassekiT. Alright, that will be all for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you have any questions, make sure to write me a comment in the comment box below, and all the information that I provided you, you will find in the description box as well. That will be all. Thank you for now, and I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, always drink the good stuff, and take care. Bye-bye.